Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to walk you through the complete setup and installation of your IMOU camera. Whether you're setting it up for home security or to keep an eye on your pets, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and easy. Let's get started. First things first, let's unbox the IMOU camera. Inside the box, you'll find the camera itself, a power adapter, a mounting bracket, screws, and a quick start guide. Make sure everything is in the box before you start. Next, we need to download the IMOU app on your smartphone. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for IMOU Life, and download the app. Once the app is downloaded, launch it and follow the prompts to create a new account. If you're already a registered user, simply log in with your existing credentials to proceed. Now, let's power up the camera. Connect the power adapter to the camera and plug it into a power outlet. You should see the camera's LED light turn on, indicating that it's ready for setup. With the camera now powered on, open the IMOU app on your smartphone. Tap the icon located on the home screen to begin the process of adding a new device to your account. Select Camera, and you'll be prompted to scan the QR code on the camera or its packaging. Once scanned, follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. After the camera is connected, it's time to position it in your desired location. Whether you're placing it on a shelf, mounting it on a wall, make sure the camera has a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Once the camera is set up, you can customize the settings in the IMOU app. Adjust the motion detection sensitivity, set up notification alerts, and configure recording schedules according to your preferences. Now, let's test the camera. Open the live view on the IMOU app and check the video quality. You can also test the motion detection by moving in front of the camera to ensure it triggers notifications.